Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you a plant lover struggling to keep your green friends happy? Or maybe you're a beginner trying to figure out how much water, sunlight, or nutrients your plants need? Well, today, I have something amazing for you. Meet Plantex, the ultimate plant care app that makes gardening easy, fun, and hassle-free. Stick around, and I'll show you how this app can transform the way you care for your plants. So, what exactly is Plantex? It's a smart plant care app designed for all plant lovers. Whether you're growing houseplants, a backyard garden, or even farming on a small scale. This app provides real-time plant care tips, watering reminders, and even AI-powered disease diagnosis. Let's dive into its awesome features. Key features of Plantex. 1. Plant identification. Ever found a beautiful plant but had no idea what it was? With Plantex, simply take a picture, and the app will identify it in seconds. It also gives you detailed care instructions for that specific plant. How cool is that? 2. Smart watering reminders. One of the biggest struggles plant parents face is watering. Too much or too little can be a problem. Plantex tracks your plant type, local weather, and soil moisture to give you perfect watering schedules. No more guessing. 3. Sunlight and temperature monitoring. Different plants have different sunlight and temperature needs. Plantex uses your location and AI technology to recommend the best placement for your plants. It even warns you if the weather is too harsh. 4. AI-powered plant health diagnosis. Worried that your plant might be sick? Just snap a photo of the leaves, and Plantex will analyze it, identify potential diseases, and suggest treatments. It's like having a plant doctor in your pocket. 5. Community and expert advice. Got a gardening question? The Plantex community connects you with other plant lovers and experts who can help troubleshoot issues and share tips. It's a great way to learn and grow together. All right, let's see Plantex in action. Here's how you can get started in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Download the Plantex app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Open the app and sign up using your email or social media. Step 3. Add your plants by either taking a picture or searching their names in the app. Step 4. Set up watering and care reminders according to your plant's needs. Step 5. Use the AI diagnosis tool if your plant looks unhealthy. And that's it. Plantex takes care of the rest, giving you timely reminders and useful insights to keep your plants thriving. So why should you start using Plantex today? Well, whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this app makes plant care stress-free. No more overwatering, no more wilting leaves, and no more plant diseases catching you by surprise. Plus, it saves you time and money by ensuring your plants stay healthy and vibrant. Now that we have downloaded the Plantex app and know why we should use it, let's demonstrate its features. AI-powered plant health diagnosis. For demonstration. Plant for demonstration today is mango. Open the Plantex app from your phone. This interface will appear, select, and tap on Take a Picture. Move your phone camera closer to your crop or plant and take a picture. If the picture is clear and okay, tap on the correct sign. Wait for the picture to upload and be diagnosed. You can now see whether your crop or plant is healthy or not. Our plant for demonstration is not healthy. This app has diagnosed the disease as shown on the screen. Tap to enter, see diagnose, and find the treatment for this disease. Tap on confirm and see treatment. The app has now recommended a product, insecticide, for you to use and treat this disease. You can save your diagnosis for a future reference. And there you have it, folks. The Plantex app is your one-stop solution for all things plant care. Whether you're growing indoor plants, a vegetable garden, or even exotic flowers, this app will be your best gardening companion. So, what are you waiting for? Download Plantex today and start growing like a pro. I'll drop the download link in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content on gardening and plant care. See you in the next video. Happy planting!